Hey, I'm Chris Lilly, Big Bob Gibson Bar-B-Q in Decatur, Alabama, and barbecue to me is family. It is a livelihood, it's a lifeblood. You know, my first memory of barbecue is in my backyard with my father. Before I could even peek over the edge of the grill, we were barbecuing. And I was honored to join the family and join the Big Bob Gibson team and learn barbecue in the pit rooms at Big Bob Gibson. So to me, it's every day. It's what I do every day when I go to work. It's what I do on the weekends with friends and family, hanging around the charcoal grill, enjoying life. So it's not only a livelihood for me, but it's a passion, and it's what I do for fun.
My name is Don McLemore. I'm the grandson of Big Bob Gibson Bar-B-Q. We run the restaurant in Decatur, Alabama. Barbecue means a lot to me. It has kept my family together and close. We do a lot of things together. I personally love barbecue myself. My motto is there's no such thing as bad barbecue. Some is just better than others.